Good morning. In today's class, we will learn about the greedy method. So, greedy method is a problem solving approach just like divide and conquer technique. In the last class, we have learned about the divide and conquer technique. Just like divide and conquer technique, greedy method is also a problem solving approach or problem solving technique which is used to solve the optimization problems. Now, what is optimization problem? Any problem which gives or which results in a minimum or maximum result is called as the optimization problem. Now consider, for example, there is a problem. Now the problem is I have to travel the city from A to B. To travel the city from A to B, there are many solutions. That is, I can travel city A to B by walk, by bus, by car, by train, by flight. So these are the different ways or solution to a problem. The solution is I can travel city from A to B by walk, or I can go to city A to B through bus, by car, by train, by flight. Now if I apply a constraint that I have to travel the city from A to B within 10 hours. That is, I have to travel the city from A to B within 10 hours. If I apply a constraint is nothing but a condition. Now traveling the city by walk, by bus and car will be ruled out. I cannot complete or travel within 10 hours. So the only solutions which are left out are I can travel the city by train or by flight. So this solution is called as a feasible solution. So when solving optimization problems, we have to be careful about some terminologies. The first terminology is optimization. Optimization, that is, any solution which is minimum or maximum is called as a optimization solution. Then you have the terminology feasible solution. Any solution which is satisfying a given constraint or condition is a feasible solution. Here the condition is we have to reach the city within 10 hours. So the solution which is obtained here is I can travel the city by train or flight, or the feasible solutions. So what is a feasible? A solution which satisfy a given constraint is a feasible solution. Next, here there are two feasible solutions. One is through I can travel through train and by flight. Now if I apply one more constraint that I have to reach the city within minimum cost, that is minimum cost. If I apply this condition, then if I apply this condition, the only solution which I will get is that is by train. Train is the only solution which I will get. That is, there can be many number of feasible solutions. There can be only one optimal solution. The optimal solution is I have to reach the city within minimum cost. Minimum cost, there is only one minimum cost. That is, I can reach the city by train. I can reach the city within 10 hours within minimum cost is the constraint here. Hence the optimal solution is by train.